Why, you might ask? Curiosity gets the best of me. I mean, why not? Curiosity also killed the cat, but satisfaction brought it back. Welcome to Sketch RC. I want to know, I have to know. I wouldn't trust these things on what they're actually made for, which is an angle grinder. Everything I will be doing with this is going to be at a safe distance. So here it is on the truck. It's freaking gnarly looking. It's legit, it's chainsaw wheels. It's just a chainsaw chain wrapped around a wheel that I made work on the RC, and I chose to do it with the Big Rock just because it's new and it looked coolest. All right, and now to the fun. Throw in some massive rooster tails. Oh man, it's just flying everywhere. Don't let it hit your feet. It's just throwing it everywhere. Talk about a yard shredder. This is working way better than I thought it was going to. It's just throwing monster rooster tails. I'm covered. This is awesome. Look at the ruts it's making. It's just digging straight in. Are you guys okay? Look at all the scrape marks on the wood. Pop, 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 pop. It's even getting this one when it lands. It's chipping at it pretty good. Alright, that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This thing is absolutely trashed, covered in mud. So it's actually pretty practical. It worked pretty good, which is, I'm surprised. But that's why I do these things. I just want to know. I'm just curious. I'm not chasing views or any of that crap. I just enjoy it. And I have tons of other ideas that I'm gonna do regardless. If you're interested in those, stick around for future videos. And the other thing is I broke another shock on this Big Rock. Same exact spot my last shock broke, which was the rear left, now it's the front right. The bottom just like comes disconnected. I noticed on like my Vortex and my Granite, they're threaded at the bottom, and these aren't. They just kind of have like a texture. Like, yeah, I had chainsaw wheels on it, but wasn't doing 30-foot, 40-foot jumps. But anyway, so I think we found a weakness in the Big Rock, and that's definitely it. It's the shocks just fall apart on you, and then you lose the spring and you can't find them. If you guys want to see me do this on my 6S Typhon, we can make that happen. Just let me know, and I can make the chainsaw wheels even bigger. Should be fun. But yeah, tons of things brewing up here in the head, and I'm just having fun making videos, guys. If you joined me and you made it this far, I appreciate it. I thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, see ya. I almost forgot. There's 100 different ways to RC, but the right way is your way.